Hi, this is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is a quick video on the Rapid Profit Machine. They make a promise that you can get started in affiliate marketing for $0. So my video is called Working It for $0. So I'm just going to start through a short presentation as to what the steps are. We'll start in the RPM members website. There's an introductory video. It says you need to go through your affiliate info, done for you automation, fresh buyers traffic, and your next steps. So I've summarized those in a short presentation. So the first thing to do is to set up your WarriorPlus account. If you do not have one, it shows you how to set one up, put together your profile, and that is a free account. The second step, which is the done for you automation, is to set up an autoresponder and download the email follow-up sequence. You only need one of these two, and there are two options provided. One is Builder All, which has a 14-day free trial. So for 14 days you can operate for free. The second alternative is Aweber. Aweber is not free, but they do have a free version, and that's really what I'm going to talk about in this video. And then step number 3 is to claim your free traffic. You don't actually have to buy any traffic. You can actually do a video shorts challenge on TikTok or one of those platforms, and then you can send traffic, and there are no shortage of free traffic solutions. So let's just go through those steps for email follow-up. What you're aiming to do is you need to collect the email addresses for the people who choose to sign up, and you need 2 lists of people. One is leads, so the people who've actually opted into your page, and the second is a list of members, the people who have actually committed to join the Rapid Profit Machine membership. And you can actually download those from the RPM website. So that's really quite attractive, because many programs like this, you do not get access to the email addresses for your members. The next thing you'll do is you want to send a follow-up series of emails. They need to be scheduled, and you really want to be able to note the actions, particularly whether people open things or whether they've clicked on any of the links. The third thing you want to do is, as a lead signs up for membership, is you want to move them from a leads list to a members list as required. So what are your needs then? You need enough subscribers to cope with your growth. You need enough emails per month to be able to email the follow-up sequence. You need 2 lists. You want to be able to do scheduling, and a level of automation is important so that you can tag people based on their activities. And then the last point is you may need a professional email address. So that is a domain that you control, which has free email addresses. And that's the first part of something that is probably not free, but we'll come to that in a little while. Given that the first of the options for email follow-up provided in the Rapid Profit Machine is Builder All, let's just have a look what's in the Builder All plan. There is a free trial. It's a trial that's available for 14 days, and then it steps to $16.90 a month, so $17 per month, which allows 1 domain, 3 subdomains, and 2,000 subscribers, which is a healthy amount of capacity. What it also includes is automatic approval as an affiliate. So if any of the members that you get to join the RPM uses Builder All, you start collecting a percentage of this $16.90 a month, and that is an attraction. So if your sense is that you can get enough people to commit to buying something from RPM or joining Builder All, you will be able to recover your $16.90 per month. The affiliate rate is around 30% per month. So all you have to do is sign up 3 people in your first month, and you will cover your $16 per month. The beauty is that it is a recurring commission business. So that's the attraction of Builderall. I'm now going to talk about the second of the platforms, which is Aweber. And the Aweber does have a free platform. It provides up to 500 subscribers. It gives you 3,000 emails per month. It gives you all the email design tools. It gives you campaign automations. It includes sign-up forms, and it includes landing pages. There are actually some restrictions that are not in this list in here, is that they only allow you one list and they only allow you one campaign per account. So those are a set of parameters. If we're going to use Aweber free to work, then those are the parameters we need to work on. So let's just do the side-by-side comparison to see what we're comparing to if we are competing with Builderall. So for $12.50 a month, you could actually have unlimited subscribers, still only one list. So one list for free and for light, 3 landing pages, 3 email automations, 24/7 support. So we would need more than one account. So we need to go up a level to get to run 2 lists. So we're going to be running at $20 per month if we choose to go with Aweber. But I'm going to explore how we can use Aweber free. So what you'll find in Aweber free is that, and it's covered in the training, is that it only covers one list and one campaign. So you need to use 2 accounts if you want to be able to run the RPM inside Aweber free. They do not provide an API link. Now the leads and the members from RPM are delivered to Aweber by that API. So you would have to download the leads and the members from RPM and update them manually. And when a lead becomes a member, you need to take them off the leads list in one account and add them to the members list in the other account. The second part of no API is they force you to use double opt-in. So you need to edit the confirmation email and the thank you email. So the thank you email then sends the subscriber along to your RPM offer, one of the sales offers. You can download the email follow-up from RPM into Aweber free. I've tested it out and it does work. And you just do that once for the leads list, and then you pop to the other account and you do one for the members list. Now this is the one way that you can actually get hold of the email follow-up sequence to, if you choose to put them into another autoresponder. Just open one account at Aweber free, download, and then cut and paste those into your chosen free autoresponder. The last point I want to cover is that the Aweber will say that they recommend that you use a professional email. The service will work with any email, but they do not recommend it. So if you have a Gmail account or a Hotmail account or an iCloud account, they will actually work on the email that you have verified. What I do recommend is that you plan on registering a domain and get one that has free email. What you'll discover in Builderall is you're actually required to buy a domain. So at Aweber you can go without buying a domain for a while, but you'll discover in time that that's not the smart thing to do. So there are ways of making Aweber free work. Now the next thing I've done is I had a look on ChatGPT looking for free autoresponders, and they came up with a list of 4. MailChimp, which gives you up to 2,000 subscribers and 10,000 emails per month. That's a pretty generous allowance. Sendinblue has a free plan for up to 300 emails per day and unlimited contacts. That's really nice too. And you can create and send automated emails. HubSpot offers a free CRM, includes automation. It can do 2,000 emails per month. So if you're sending an email per day, that you can have a reasonably large list. So you can have at least 600 or 700 people on your list. And then benchmark.com, they have a free plan up to 2,000 subscribers and 250 emails per month. That's not a lot of emails, so that's not really effective. Now, there is a warning. Some of these platforms do not like affiliate marketing programs. I checked with free ChatGPT, and I certainly know that MailChimp does not like affiliate marketing programs. It's contrary to their terms of service. Sendinblue have some vaguer expressions of things that they may or may not like. And I do know that MailerLite, which is similar to MailChimp, also does not like affiliate programs. So you do need to check those out before you commit. So the answer lies in if you can make RPM work for free using Aweber free. Is yes, you can. It's not very convenient because you'll need to open 2 accounts, one for each of the lists and for each of the campaigns. You can download the leads and get the leads and the members into those 2 lists. You lose out on double opt-in, or do you really? You gain on double opt-in because once people have confirmed an opt-in, you actually have a better quality lead. You can download the follow-up, and if you want to use one of the other free autoresponders, this is one of the ways to get hold of that follow-up sequences. You download them into your free Aweber account, do the ones one at a time. It'll only allow you to import one campaign, so you import the campaign, cut and paste it into your other autoresponder, and then delete the campaign and then download the other campaign. So the answer is yes, you can make it for free. As I look at these alternatives, a Builderall at $17 per month with 1 domain, 2,000 subscribers, and automatic approval as an affiliate, all you have to do is persuade 3 people to join and to use Builderall, and it'll pay for itself on a monthly basis. So quite frankly, this looks to me like a lot of hard work to do. Have 2 accounts, manage 2 lists separately, download these leads and members backwards and forwards, and compared to either spending $17 per month and getting automatic approval as a Builderall affiliate, or spending $20 per month at Aweber and then persuading your followers to use your Aweber link to when they sign up to use Aweber based on your advice and your training, so that you get the affiliate commission from Aweber rather than the affiliate commission going off to RPM. So that concludes my thoughts on, can you make this work for $0? Yes, you can, but it feels like hard work to me.